Hi everybody, today I am going to show you guys a super trend indicator strategy for day trading that's going to blow your mind. It uses 3 super trend indicators and 1 exponential moving average indicator. We're going to be using 1-hour time frame and regular candles. Disclaimer, nothing in this video is financial advice, it's all for informational purposes. So firstly, we'll go into tradingview.com, and this is what your chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our indicators. I'll show you exactly how we're going to set these up, so I'll quickly cross out these. This is what your chart is going to look like when we enter the trading view. Click on the indicators tab right here and search SUPERTREND and add this one by giving Osbilgic 3 times. Now we'll add EMA, the exponential moving average. Now here's where we're going to change the settings. Pay attention to all of this stuff. Go into the settings, that's for the first one. Now you're going to change the ATR period to 12 and leave multiplier at 3. We're not going to show the buy-sell signals, so uncheck this one. Now we'll go into the style and we're going to get rid of uptrend and downtrend highlighter. So that's the first one. On the second one, you can do the same thing. You're going to get rid of the highlighter stuff. And in input settings, you're going to leave ATR period at 10 and change the multiplier to 1. You're going to uncheck this again. And for the third one, you're going to change this to 11 and 2. Again, get rid of the buy-sell signals. And in the style, you're going to get rid of the highlights. Click OK. Now we're going to go in settings for the EMA. I like to make the exponential moving average a little bit darker or a little bit thicker, just so it's easier to see, and over here, we're going to change length to 200, so this way we know what the trends are looking like. So we're all set here and our charts are set up. Now let's dive deep in this super trend indicator strategy. This is great for beginners or advanced level. If you guys like these strategies I show, please make sure to like my videos and subscribe to my channel to show your support. So firstly, we're going to look at the rules and criteria for a buy trade. Number 1, you want the price action to be above the 200 EMA, like it is here. Then we want all the 3 super trends to be green at the same time, and because there is a lot of data on the screen, it can be difficult sometimes to differentiate. For confirmation, you can have a look over here. If all 3 values are green, you'll get in at the close of the candle, at which all 3 values turn green. So when all 4 of these indicators line up, that gives you a great signal to get in. Now we're going to take a look at an example for a long trade. Here you can see the price action is above the 200 EMA, and here, if you see, all 3 values are green at this candle. So here we'll enter the trade at the close of this candle, and for stop loss, I would recommend to keep it at the recent swing low. I like to put 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. And you see here we've had a profitable trade. Now we're going to look at the rules and criteria for a sell trade. Before we do that, I urge you to take a look at Bitkit. This is because on this exchange you can easily trade cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin. You can also use leverage to grow your profits faster. As here, my leverage is at 20 times. That means that my profits can grow 20 times faster, and I only need to invest a small amount to earn a lot. Be careful though, because you can also lose 20 times as fast. So use leverage only with a good strategy like the one I am explaining now. Let's quickly look at a sell position. Number 1, you want the price action to be below the 200 EMA, like it is here. Then we want all the 3 super trends to be red at the same time. We want everything to be opposite of a long trade. And again, to differentiate and for confirmation, you can have a look over here. If all 3 values are red, you'll get in at the close of the candle, at which all 3 values turned red, and get out when one of the super trend becomes red. So when all 4 of these indicators line up, that gives you a great signal to get in for a sell trade. Now we're going to take a look at an example for a sell trade. Here you can see the price action is below the 200 EMA, and here if you see, all 3 values are red at this candle. So here we'll enter the trade at the close of this candle, and we'll keep our stop loss at the recent swing high. I like to put 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. And you see here we've had a profitable trade. You've got to watch for false signals and carefully enter the trade whenever all 4 criteria are checked. Like here, you can see price is above the 200 EMA, but all the trends here are not green, so we'll not get in here for a buy trade. Here also, you can see the price action is below the 200 EMA, but all 3 super trends are not red, as you can see here, so we'll not get in here for a short trade. You can see the results by yourself when you implement this strategy. I found this strategy to be very profitable myself, but please backtest this stuff before you risk your money. You see what kind of results you guys are getting, but this is an amazing strategy for scalping and for day trading. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit that like button. I share a lot of tips in there with my strategies in my videos, so subscribe my channel if you're interested, and I will see you guys on the next video.